Hello AI, so good evening. So ito yung ating staking sa AXS. So silipin natin yung ating staking dashboard. So meron tayong total stake na 1,314.168. So meron tayong claimable rewards or restake. So 3.27, i-restake natin yan. So ang price today is 3.40 times 3.27. 3.27 XS. So, meron tayong $11.11 times 59 natin. So, meron tayong 655 pesos today. So, i-restake natin yan para madagdagan yung ating staking. Okay? So, restake. Restake now. Ayan, para madagdagan yung ating total stake. Ayan. So, ganyan lang. So, daily tayo mag-i-staking. Okay? So, sign in. Ayan. So, claiming and staking daily. Okay? Para madagdagan yung ating total stake. So araw-araw tayo mag-staking para madagdagan yung ating staking. Ayan. So, meron tayong 1317.44. Ayan. So, bukas uli. Ayan. So, stake ng stake. Okay? So, sa December tayo kukurot. So, ika 52 days natin ngayon ka AI. Okay? So, don't subscribe my channel, Jonathan Bit TV. And then, i-share mo tong video para ma-update ka sa mga next video ko. Okay? Thank you for watching. God bless day. See you tomorrow.